Hey there, I'm Andrew, your Faith Made Guide. In this tutorial, we are going to start using the page builder, and we're going to look at changing out the background images and photos that you see throughout the website. And to do that, what we're going to start at is clicking page builder here and clicking the first option for whatever page we're on. This brings up the page builder interface. Now, there will be another video where we go through these different tools and such so that you can familiarize yourself better with the page builder. The purpose of this tutorial is to help you get your Faith Made site off the ground and up and running. And so in this getting started area, we're just focusing on the content that already is here so that we can get your Faith Made website out into the wild. And so first off, we're going to see here that our page builder, when you move your mouse around, you see different things are highlighted, and you can click on these to edit different things. But what we're going to do is actually edit the row here. And so if you hover over this little wrench, you'll see that it says row settings. And just so you know, the page builder, it may seem complicated. It's not, though. All it is, in a nutshell, is boxes inside of boxes inside of boxes. You have modules. Modules go in columns. Columns go in rows. Boxes inside of boxes inside of boxes. And so we're working with the biggest one here, biggest box, which is a row. So we're going to click on row settings, and it's going to pull up the settings here. One thing I like to do usually is I like to drag this over to the side so that I can dock it here and I can see what else is going on all the way here. And so if I scroll down to where it says background, you can see that I have several different options. Now, a lot of you might not have a video that you want to use for your background, so maybe you want to select photo instead. And your photo is from the media library, and you can edit this and choose a different photo if you would like. There's also different settings here for the positioning of it, whether it's fixed where it doesn't move or whether it scrolls when you do. And then you have the background overlay type. And we have overlay presets. This uses the light color or the dark color that you set in your in the customizer. You have to save it to see it though, or you can set your own right here. So that's how to set a photo. Let's go back and add another video. So I'm going to select a video from YouTube. I'm going to paste in the wrong URL. Now I've got the right URL, so let me try pasting that in. And it will use the video from YouTube or Vimeo that you select here. Or if you have one using a third-party storage like Amazon S3 or Google Drive, something like that, you can select a URL to change it. We don't want to enable audio, and you can also choose whether to enable audio video when someone's looking at a phone. And if something happens to that video, you can select the fallback image. And that way, if the video goes away or the image goes away, that video is used instead. One thing, pro tip, that I like to do is whatever video I've selected, I take a screenshot of that video and I make the fallback photo of that. So if someone's internet isn't loading the video correctly or quickly, it'll show the fallback photo of that screenshot that you made of the video so that it flows right into the video once it starts to load. Same for these pictures. So here's a photo module. And to edit this, you just click right on it. Click edit. And add whatever photo you would like. This, of course, is a featured image. So you would watch the other video tutorial we made on editing featured images. And even down here, we can click on row settings. Scroll down to our background type as photo. and change that out with something else. So in the matter of 10 or 15 minutes, you can go through your entire new Faith Made website and change all the backgrounds and all the photos to what you need them to be. And once you've edited a page, click Done, Publish, and that saves your settings for that page.